Good morning, cadets. Hope all of you are fine. Public speaking is an art. So let's start the day with public speaking. Two of our cadets will be speaking on different topics.
Morning everyone. I am Cadet Ashwini Vijay Jagdampi 500 from class 7C. Today I am going to narrate a story. The title of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by bearing along with great effort an ear of corn he was taking to the nest. Why not come and chat with me? Said the grasshopper. Instead of toiling and moiling away, I am helping to lay up for food for the winter, said the ant, and recommend you to do the same. Why bother about winter? Said the grasshopper. We have got plenty of food at present. But the ant went on its way and continued its toil. When the winter came, the grasshopper found itself dying of hunger, while it saw the ants distributing every day corn and grain from the stores they had collected in the summer. Then the grasshopper knew. So the moral of the story is work today and you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Thank you. 500 from class 7C. Today I am going.
Good morning, respected Asha ma'am and my dear friends. Today, I, Krishna Kumar Jha, roll number 512, will narrate a story in front of you. Once upon a time, there was a village near a forest. In the village, there lived a herd of cows. The cows always went to the forest for grazing. In the forest, there lived a lion. The lion was very wicked and was very bad. He ate one cow every day. So one day the chief of the cows thought of an idea. He thought that if we go unitedly, then he cannot eat us. Next day they did an experiment. Whenever they saw a lion, they chased him and mooed loudly. Moral of the story is united we stand, divided we fall.
Kudos to both the speakers. They spoke really well. Today I'll be taking up the poem Trees. Trees, as you know, they are the main component of nature. They give us the essential things of life, that is food and oxygen. They also provide us shelter, medicines, other commodities of life. They are really an important part of nature. Trees contribute to the environment by providing oxygen, improving the air quality, conserving water, supporting the wildlife. The benefits from the tree are listless. So, we should always protect trees, save trees. As all of you know, there is a movement called Chipko movement, and Chipko movement was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. He tried to save the trees by really Chipko. Chipko means to hug the tree. He hugged the tree and they tried to save the trees. Such was the spirit. So let's all take an oath to celebrate Environment Day every day, not on June 5th only. We should celebrate Environment Day every day, protect tree and plant new saplings. So my first question to the cadets is, what do you think is the importance of trees?
Ma'am, there are many
Good.
benefits.
Cadets Priti, please, sir. express your views.
Yes, ma'am. The trees are very important for our survival as they provide us food, oxygen, etc. Not only food and oxygen, we need trees in every walks of life. And without trees, human beings or animals cannot survive. They are the main component of the nature. We get many benefits from trees, like medicines we get, which save our lives, and the life-saving air. Gas called oxygen. Nowadays, due to corona, people are suffering due to lack of oxygen. They are fighting for oxygen cylinders. The
Very good
trees are
point brought out by Cadet Spruti. We have realized the importance of oxygen when literally during this pandemic, people were struggling to buy oxygen cylinders. So it's our prime duty to look after the trees, plant trees whenever possible because they supply oxygen free. Do you get the point? They give us oxygen free.
and and if we plant one tree, we will get a life, complete life, free oxygen. And nowadays we are realizing the importance of oxygen. And I think the only being is human being who cut trees and make papers and write on that save trees. So we should also save papers, and stop the unnecessary cutting of trees. If we cut trees, we have to plant 20 trees, and not only planting them, and we have to also look after them, and they will look after us, ma'am.
Thank you. Good points brought out by you. So, some amazing quotes on trees. Learn character from trees, values from the roots of the trees, and change from leaves. It is by Tasneem Ahmed. Second one is Go Green quote. If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand alone like a tree. And if you fall on the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to fight. So, if you are alone, but if you are standing for some cause and reason, then you should be firm like a tree. And if you fall on the ground, fall like the seed. Seed multiplies every time and it grows back to fight. So, beautiful, amazing quotes on trees. Here is the poet of the poem. Shirley Bauer was born in 1944. Shirley graduated from Mikulski High School in 1962 and attended nursing school in Bismarck. She was a nurse for 41 long years at St. Alexis Hospital. Talking about the glossary, timber means the wood prepared for use in buildings and carpentry. Pictures are also there. Rake is an implement or a instrument consisting of a with a tooth bar, cross bar, or fine lines at the end, specially used for cutting the grass or smoothing the loose soil or gravel. So the stanzas are ready. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make trees houses in, trees are to swing swings on. So trees are very useful. Birds, they build their nest and live happily. Children play hide and seek. They swing on the trees. Some people make tree houses. See the tree, beautiful tree house in the picture, and see how the birds are feeling comfortable on the trees. So, definitely, trees are very important. Once again, trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, and trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind, hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for skies to get caught in. So when the cool breeze blows and if you are surrounded by trees, you can feel the coolness. And small children, they can play hide and seek and hide behind the trees. Then we can have tea parties under the trees. Trees are for kites also. Some kites, they fly high in the sky, but sometimes they get stuck in the trees. So here you all can boast that you study in a very good school, Sainik School Bijapur, and the campus is lush green, full of trees. So after the pandemic, when you come back, you can enjoy the bounty of nature. And we have a timber trail where we conduct tea parties or host tea parties also. So we are all waiting for you so that you can enjoy the bounty of nature and so many varieties of trees in our own campus. They are for the wind to blow through. Then we can play hide and seek and also host parties. That is the uses of the trees. Next stanza. So you can enjoy the cool shade of trees in summer. Then if you are in the scorching heat, you can be under the shade of a tree. During winters, there is no shade. Then you can enjoy the apples and pears that grow on trees. Finally, when the tree grows old, you can chop it down and call timber. So you can use it as firewood. Just see, the tree just gives. It never expects anything in return. From birth to death, it has so many uses: fruits, leaves, shade, oxygen, timber, innumerable uses of trees. So we should always bear in mind that we should protect trees and try to plant saplings as far as possible. Celebrate Environment Day every day. Not that June 5th we wait and then we plant some saplings and forget them and wait for the next Environment Day. We should not be doing that. So here I would like to ask one of my cadet the uses of trees. Yes, Cadet Supreet, tell me the uses of trees.
Ma'am, there are innumerable uses of trees, ma'am. Ma'am, we can't repay the benefits which we are taking from the trees. It also helps during our birth and also dies with us after our death, ma'am, which burns after our death. We can't repay the trees. There are innumerable benefits. I will tell some such benefits, ma'am. Trees provide us food such as fruits and some other fruits like papaya, mangoes, orange, limes, etc. And they also provide us flowers which is used to decorate our head. Even girls will put the flowers on their head, ma'am. And the second point,
Hair.
okay, ma'am. And the second point is tree protect the land. It protects our land and makes fertile, which the trees have a big roots. It holds the land very tightly and does not allow the soil, does not make the soil erosion. The third point is it is helping us to breathe. which is the main point. It gives us oxygen and takes our carbon dioxide, ma'am. And fourth point is trees provide us shelter and shade. It gives shelter to some people who does not have road or who does not have houses to live in. And trees also provide us natural playground. For some kids, they play hide and seek in banyan tree, which is difficult to find when we hide inside the banyan tree, ma'am. Sixth point is the trees encourage biodiversity. It encourages biodiversity such as butterflies and some other insects. Seventh point is trees provide sustainable wood. It provides us so many strong and fine wood. And eighth point is tree conserves water. It conserves so much water, such as in deserts there is no water, but whenever it rain falls, some plants like cactus, it holds the water to provide for people. And ninth point is trees improve our mental health. If we go and sit in front of tree or greenery when our mood is upset, it makes our mood fresh and very happy.
Very good
And
point. Yeah, nowadays to be happy is also a luxury. People are full of competition and running the rat's race. So to be happy is very important. And back to nature, and we are happy. So trees can make us happy also.
and it also provides us so many things which we can't count also and we can't repay also. So I could conclude with this: trees are like our mother. Without our mother we could not exist on this planet. In the same way, without our mother tree, if we exist also, we couldn't lead our life. If we do any mistakes, our mother will bear our if our mother will bear our naughtiness. In the same way, our mother tree also bears our pollution and bears our pollution and our harmfulness, and it does not do anything. When our mother can't control anything from us, she just scolds us. In the same way, our mother tree also just does a small disaster but never ask anything from us. The big point which we have to learn from our tree is we should help others but not expect anything from others. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, so let us continue. Next stanza is ready. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So those mothers who enjoy painting, they would like to paint landscape and varieties of trees, and they will make their heart and mind happy, and they would say, what a lovely picture to paint. And fathers would say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So cadets, you must have understood trees are an important part of our ecosystem. They take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Trees are of many types and there are thousands of species of trees. The benefits from the trees are innumerable. Trees provide animals and birds with food and shelters. Trees provide human beings with many important resources. Isn't that wonderful? Trees are also an important source of medicine. If you brush your teeth with a neem twig, you will have healthy teeth. If you eat tulsi leaves every morning, it benefits your health. If you have neem leaves, it purifies your blood. So you can see the trees are important source of medicines. Then we can make furniture from trees. We can use it as a fuel. Trees attract rain. Trees prevent soil erosions and flood. trees clean the air around. But today, man has become very selfish and he's cutting down trees. So, it's our responsible to check those people who ruthlessly cut these trees, because trees are an integral part of the ecosystem and it helps to maintain balance and also acts as a valuable source. Thank you.